Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. A lot of you guys voted for this and I wanted to surprise you guys with this recipe. So if you want to see the salmon recipe, then stay tuned. So really quick, I'm going to cut the salmon down and I'm going to pinch it kind of together and create thin little slits on the skin. Just 2 little slits. And that's basically to help when you're cooking it to make the skin a little bit crispier. So these will be the ingredients that you'll be needing to recreate this recipe. So what I'm doing is using half of my seasonings to coat the 1/2 of the salmon, and then I'm going to do the same with the other side of the salmon. What you're about to see is me patting the salmon down to make sure that the salmon is coated with all of the seasoning. So after you finish putting all your seasonings in, you are going to want to flip it back and forth a couple times just to make sure that your salmon is thoroughly seasoned. So this is what your salmon should look like seasoned. Now you're going to coat your pan with olive oil and put it to medium to high heat and let the pot heat up, and you're going to want to make sure you hear that sizzling. And then you cover it up and you cook it for 4 minutes. And now you are going to flip it over. And you're going to be cooking it for another 4 minutes. Now your salmon should be done. You're going to take it out and set it on a plate and let it rest. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any suggestions to videos that you would like me to make, then comment down below. Whether it's recipes, whether it's singing videos, whether it's a makeup look, or whatever you want to learn and you're interested in me doing, then comment down below. I also wanted to add, if you try any of my tutorials out, please tag me and let me know, or just DM me and let me know that you tried them out, because I would love to hear your feedback.